Dili naman siya ibaliktad.
Sa kanila ka din.
Crispy.
Whoa.
Careful.
Cake. Ah!
Labitaw be. Look, crispy gid siya be. Crispy man gid siguro na basta imo lang gid i-oven.
This is the Pinoy's Batoy Toys. So, pupunta tayo pa-review yan ito.
Like, kuan gid siya do.
Okay.
I-cut daw. Ano gamay. Para makuha natin yung crisp. Wow.
Look at it.
Taste test.
Taste test. This is one. Did you hear that sound?
Nice. Like it.
You want it?
Can I taste just a little bit? Careful ano ka Facebook.
Yes, rest na to.
It's crispy.
30 minutes.
Ay, pares pa di ay.
Gawas ng juice.
Ay! Ay, sorry be. Sorry.
You need to...
Need to hold it, man. Careful.
I'll video you.
No, it's good. It's okay. Wow.
It's really delicious. I've done a great job of it.
You did a good job. Hindi siya ma-focus.